Hey, welcome. Today we are talking about propeller guards for drones, specifically the DJI Mini 4 Pro. You may have seen our previous video on propeller guards for the Mini 2. We've since upgraded our fleet and we are making sure our drone safety measures are similarly upgraded. Okay, time for the unboxing portion of the video. Here are your propellers out of the box. Now, you may be asking yourself, hey, are these the same thing as the Mini 2 propellers? Because they kind of look exactly the same online. No, they are not. The Mini 2s are significantly smaller and have various small differences between the two, but as you can see, would not be compatible. We have here the Mini 4 Pro. As you can see, the guards themselves are marked left and right on the interior. You notice too on the guards that we have one end that is elevated and one end that is lower. The elevated end corresponds to the front, the lower end corresponds to the back. All you need to do is, making sure that your little tabs are open, you slip it right in through there. Don't even need to take off the propellers. The arms themselves will slot nicely in, and that will be your other confirmation that you have them oriented the correct way. Then you just snap down the clips. Same on the other side. Nice and easy, just that simple. Just takes a minute to put it on, and it's gonna provide just an extra level of safety that you're really gonna need if you intend to fly indoors, and it'll just help you be more safe generally. You still have access to the entirety of the drone, taking out the gimbal protector, getting at your battery, getting at your micro SD card, and you can still access the propellers. You could even really change propellers if you needed to with the guard still on, but I really doubt that would come up. And that's pretty much all there is to putting them on. Make sure you're getting the correct model propeller guards for your drone. It'd be very easy to make that mistake and think that you've got compatible ones from the back end, but come on, we know that they're gonna make you buy new ones. So anytime you do indoor flying, you're gonna wanna have guards on your propellers as one of the safety measures that you take for it. We'll do a whole video showing you best practices for safely flying indoors, showing you some of the best practices that go along with that. But for now, we'll take you on a quick little test flight just to show you how effective these guards can be. Okay, hold it. I'm exercising stop work authority on this filming set because this is not safe. This banana is not in the proper PPE for a stunt like this. Okay, much better. We're ready to go. Now, although you're technically not liable for FAA regulations while flying indoors, that is no excuse to not have a proper safety plan in place to make sure that no one gets hurt and you get your shot safely. Remember, do not attempt an indoor flight unless you have a thorough safety plan in place beforehand.